Hi, I'm Stacy Spielman with Douglas Elliman, and I cannot be more excited to introduce you to the Greenwich by Rafael Viñoly here in the Financial District. We're standing in this beautiful lobby with a triple height soaring ceiling, 2 custom crafted 30-foot library walls, and beautifully appointed Italian furniture. It's easy to see how you can call the Greenwich home. But before I show you the rest of the building, let's go upstairs and check out Penthouse 1A. Welcome home. This 3,152 square foot penthouse boasts 3 beds and 3.5 baths. But it's the light and views that draw you into this home, and a wall of windows giving you a visual connection to the outside. This expansive great room has scale and balance, allowing for a formal living room, dining, and a seating area with the best view in the house. If you love to cook and entertain, this is the kitchen for you. It features a stylish mix of materials, including marble countertops and backsplash that plays nicely off of the custom light wood cabinetry with metal detailing. One of my favorite features about the kitchen are the pocket doors, which separates it from the entertaining space, but when opened, it gives you a great visual connection to the outdoors. After all, who doesn't like cooking with a view? On the other side of the penthouse are the bedrooms, but we're here in the primary suite. The primary bedroom is a soothing, calm space with floor-to-ceiling windows where the magical views continue. Just imagine waking up to this view. The full wall of closets are custom-designed wardrobes featuring leather and polished nickel trim. And the primary ensuite bath is a serene, spa-like experience like no other. The Greenwich by Rafael Viñoly is one of the newest and one of the tallest towers in Lower Manhattan. The building has a wide array of offerings, studios to 3-bedroom homes with interiors designed by Maud, formerly known as March and White. The building offers 3 different finishes. Where we're currently sitting, stratus, reflecting light and sky, aqua, representing the water, and terra, which ties to the earth. The Greenwich is in a prime location in the Financial District, nestled between the Hudson River and the East River. The building has over 27,000 square feet of amenities, named the 88. The amenities are located at the top of the building, making it Manhattan's tallest residential amenity suite. On level 86, you've got a screening room for movie nights, a private dining room with a caterer's kitchen, and a beautiful large residential lounge. This is the perfect place to read a book with my girlfriend, Lady Liberty. Level 87 is all about wellness, private treatment rooms for spa services, a beauty salon, and even a relaxation room perfectly positioned to take in the views. And the cherry on top is our 50-foot saltwater pool. Now this is the epitome of a sunset swim. Level 88 is where you'll find the state-of-the-art fitness center. Even you can break a sweat amongst the clouds. There's no doubt that the Greenwich offers an elevated living experience with some of the best views in the city. These are views for a lifetime and a life well lived. Cheers. See you on the next tour.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.